Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create authentic AI UGC style ads using Sora 2. So I'll basically cover what authentic UGC actually means, how to prompt Sora correctly, and how to turn AI videos into ads that don't scream AI. So let's get started. First, let's clear some things up. AI UGC does not mean like some perfect studio lighting or some cinematic camera moves or maybe actors reading sales scripts. Real UGC looks casual, imperfect, like an example, shoot like a phone video, and maybe focus on experience, and maybe not selling. So if your AI video looks like a commercial, it will fail. So first of all, what is Sora 2 and why does it work for UGC? OpenAI's Sora, often referred to as Sora 2 in newer versions. It will let you generate some like realistic short videos from text prompts. So why it works for UGC ads? It's basically natural human. It has some natural humans movement. Also, it's realistic environment and short form video control. But Sora doesn't magically understand marketing, so you must guide this properly. Of course, Sora will have an application in App Store and Google Play, and you can use also an PC if you want to. So as an example, let's just talk about where most people like fail. A bad prompt to Sora, as an example, will be create like a video of someone promoting like my product. Of course, it can create first of all like images and videos as well. And of course, a good UGC maybe prompt structure will be something like you'll have to start by explaining everything about the video. So, an example, you'll have to start by the person type, like the age, vibe, and setting. The camera style, do you want it to be phone or handheld as an example? For actions, what do you want the creator to be doing, like using the product naturally or something like that? For the mood, do you want it to be casual, honest, and scripted? And the length of the video, like 10 to 20 seconds, should be something like that. So, as an example of prompts, I prepared the prompts as example to use for Sora 2. So the prompts is the following. Basically, a casual phone recorded video of a 25 years old woman sitting as example in her bedroom, talking naturally about using skincare products, slightly camera shake, imperfect lighting, realistic tone, UGC style, no branding, no logos, 15 seconds. You'll have to keep in mind that the Sora, as you can see, that exists here in the website. It's an old model. So if you want to learn about new model, you can click in here an example and read how to get it. As you can see, it's more perfect than the old model. It will create more UGC like good videos, as you can see. So you can find out how to use it as an example reading this research. So I'm just telling you like example how to do prompting here in this video because good prompting actually matters. And basically, you can do something like that. And your prompts basically, or your prompting should be realism and should not be like focused on quality more. And make sure that you never like generate just one video. Make sure to generate an example, 2 videos, 4 videos. That's good. Why? Because winning UGC ads comes from multiple people, multiple angles, multiple tones. With Sora, you can change the age, change the settings, change the energy level, and sometimes, for example, one video will like the outcome will be good, one video will not be that great. As you can see, you can even here edit the settings, so the duration, 5 seconds and stuff. I cannot edit those stuff because I don't have a plan. So in order, as example, to edit some more of those settings, so as you can see, the aspect ratios example, it's for free, but for resolution, I'll not be able to choose more for how many seconds, for how many variations of videos, and as you can see, a lot of other stuff I will not be able, like this I can choose. So a lot of other stuff I cannot choose. Why? Because like this is just the free plan, so you'll need to pay, as example for Sora. So if you don't, if you didn't know. So I click on the option of using storyboard. This is just a storyboard if you want to create multiple videos if you want to. So yeah, basically for you will have to do like multiple variation because even real creators shoot many takes. AI is no different. And Sora, of course, will give you raw videos once it's finished. And to make it like good for you, you'll have to add captions manually. Cuts maybe some first seconds aggressively, cuts any poses, cuts any mistakes, cuts any something that doesn't look good, and maybe remove some robotic poses. Sometimes Sora 2 has it. Add a strong hook text, and just something that's important, make sure do not add logos in the first 2 seconds, because UGC or UGC like adds sales through reliable stuff and relatability, not branding. So basically, that's what you need to know. Of course, I'm just going to tell you like some platform rules and ethical use for this Sora 2. So be careful here that most platform will require you to have no impersonation of real people or no false claims, or transparency is required. Or if required, sometimes it's not. Also, do not fake like testimonials. Do not like claim results that aren't real. Don't pretend AI is a real customer review. And AI UGC should simulate style, but not lie about reality. So finally, I'm just going to tell you where AI UGC works best. It will work for testing ad angles, cold traffic creatives, rapid iteration, and it works worse for high trust offers or medical claims, fake before and after ads. So use AI to support your ads, not to replace trust. Of course, a lot of mistakes that can be done by beginners is basically overpolished AI videos or long scripts or obvious selling, or maybe using one clip only. If it feels like an ad, it won't perform. And if it feels like an AI, it will make it worse. So I guess that's all about what I know about Sora 2. I mentioned all I know, so I guess that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.